Standing here tonight is deeply emotional for me. When our mom passed away, my sister was only 9 years old. From that moment on, she carried herself with quiet strength beyond her years. She became incredibly responsible and organized, the kind of person who makes sure everything and everyone is taken care of. Even though lost, she grew into a woman full of grace, resilience, and so much love. I know our mom would be so proud of who she is today, and so happy to see her marrying a man who loves her this well. To my brother-in-law, from the beginning, even Grandma Lola liked you. And that's when you knew you're special. You've always brought peace, patience, and calm into her life, especially during your cute little disagreements. Thank you for being her partner, her peace, and her steady hand. And to our oldest sister, who wouldn't be here tonight, we feel your love across the miles. Your family is part of this moment always. This marriage is a beautiful reflection of resilience, devotion, and a love that grows strong through every season. What a 10 years it has been for both of you. El amor no tiene fronteras. Hoy celebramos un amor sincero, valiente y lleno de promesas. We are also deeply grateful to everyone who traveled from different cities and countries to be here. Your presence means more than words can say. Love like this, even more beautiful when shared with family and friends who made the journey to celebrate it. To my baby sister, Arbinso, and her beautiful husband, may your home be filled with laughter, understanding, and a love that continues to deeper every year. Salud e felicidades!